back to another reaction video, and today I will be reacting to How to Fix a Printer, created by How to Basic. So now without further ado, on with the video! How to fix a printer. This is how you do it. And prints. Printing. Nothing! It's blank! Printer error. Try again. Print again. It's still nothing. Printing again. Printer error. So restart printer. Printing again. Nothing! Printer error. Color ink is low. Replace ink cartridge. Okay, replace the ink. And now print. Okay. Nothing! Printer error. Color ink is too high. Drink some of the ink. Please don't drink the ink. Don't drink the. Please don't. It's nasty. That stuff is poisonous. That is. Stop. Gross. Please don't drink the ink. That printer's making a beat. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it stopped. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, it's on fire! Evacuate the building! Oh, okay. He's had enough. He's about to run it over with his car! Oh no! Printer abuse! Oh my gosh. So much damage. So many pieces. Destroy the printer! That printer's taking a lot of damage. You gonna set it on fire? Oh my goodness. You doused it out? Good job! That printer has been destroyed. Oh my gosh. Ow! I have so many questions! I'm completely flabbergasted! Printer error, try again! Egg the printer! Oh my... Printing! Yep, that is how you do it! I'm still flabbergasted after witnessing this. But still, good job! Very good job indeed. So there you have it. That's how you fix a printer. The How to Basic way. That printer has been destroyed! So very destroyed. Whatever you do, do not drink ink. You've been warned! Seriously, you've been warned. Let's have a moment of silence for the printer. Thank you. Anyway, thank you How to Basic. I can't wait to see more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reactions. With that in mind, I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, to waitresses, and peace. What's that? Another review? Well, in that case, I'm ready.